Dropping $2,500 on a pre-built computer is a massive gamble for most people. You see these sleek black towers sitting on a shelf, and you have to wonder if you are paying for the brand name or the raw power hidden inside. This specific machine is pushing the boundaries of what a ready-to-use desktop can actually do. It looks like a standard gaming tower from the outside. It features those sharp angles and some light glow that looks modern without turning your room into a neon rave. It is surprisingly small for something that packs this much heat. You get all the standard plugs for your monitors and headsets. It even has the latest wireless standards built right in. But the real story starts once you crack that side panel open. We're talking about a 20-core brain that handles everything you throw at it. It uses the newest high-speed system memory, which is essential for staying fast over the next few years. The star of the show is the top-tier graphics processor with 16 gigabytes of dedicated video memory. That is a massive amount of power for a system you just plug into the wall. When you fire up a heavy game like that neon-soaked futuristic RPG or fast-paced battle royale, the performance is flawless. We are looking at crisp visuals at ultra-high definitions. Most modern titles will fly past 100 frames per second without breaking a sweat. It is not just for players, though. If you edit high-resolution video or stream your matches to an audience, this hardware handles those heavy tasks simultaneously. The storage is another highlight. It uses a lightning-fast drive that makes loading screens nearly disappear. Large files move in a blink. However, there's always a catch with these big-box machines. The internal cooling and the main circuit board are often quite basic. They do the job, but they do not have the flair or the expansion options you would get if you picked every part yourself. You are paying a premium for convenience. $2,400 is a steep price tag for anyone. You are essentially paying an extra fee to avoid the headache of building it yourself. For the person who just wants to come home, hit the power button and have a world-class experience immediately. This is a tempting offer. It is a beast of a machine that bridges the gap between casual play and professional workstations. Just keep in mind that the tech world moves fast. There is always a faster chip or a better card right around the corner. If you value your time more than the granular control of a custom build, this powerful tower hits all the right notes for a high-end experience today. If you want the absolute best visuals without spending your weekend watching assembly tutorials, this is a serious contender. It handles multitasking like a dream. You could be rendering a video in the background while playing a competitive shooter, and you probably would not even notice a dip in speed. That is the benefit of having 32 gigabytes of the latest memory. It provides a massive cushion for your system to breathe. The power supply inside is also a high-efficiency model, ensuring that all these power-hungry components get the steady juice they need without wasting energy. It is a plug-and-play beast for the modern era. You get the latest operating system pre-installed, so there is no fumbling with software keys or driver updates right out of the box. Everything is tuned for immediate action. For someone upgrading from a machine that is 4 or 5 years old, the jump in speed will be shocking. This isn't just a minor step up. It is a total transformation of how you interact with your digital world. It delivers serious performance right out of the box. Every second you spend in front of this machine feels snappy and responsive. Whether you are deep in a high-stakes match or just browsing through 100 tabs, the fluidity is unmatched. It represents a significant investment, but for the right user, the lack of setup friction makes it a winner.